In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can use this website called DaFont.com. You can find it just simply by searching it into Google or any other search engine, and you get in here, which is going to be DaFont.com. The first result is going to appear at the top. Now, this is a pretty interesting website because it will let you download many fonts that you can use to stylize your graphic design or customize your text if you're using like Word or other word processors like OpenOffice or LibreOffice and so on. So basically, when you install these font styles in your computer, then you can use them in any application. We're talking about graphic design, 3D applications, and so on. Now, you will find a lot of video guides and video courses in our channel talking about this kind of software, so just have a look around. Now, I'm going to type here sketch since I want to search for and find some nice sketchy font. So I'm going to type here anything that I want to look for specifically, and I can find here some results. So you can see here that I have some commercial fonts at the top. So if you want something, you can like go here and see where this font is and the cost and so on. Otherwise, you can scroll down, and these are all the fonts from DaFont. And right here to the right, you will find the download button. So you can click on download. You can also donate to the authors. You can see if it is 100% free, or if it is free to use for personal projects or commercially and so on. So basically you can have a look here to the licenses. And so I'm just gonna use one of these. Okay, let's say that I want to download this one here, which is gonna be free for personal use. So I'm gonna click here, and you can see I've already created a folder called font, so I can save here. I'm gonna save this one, and let me get just another one. So maybe this one here. Okay, so I'm just going to open up the folder where I've just downloaded these two. So the first one, it was Sketch Zone and then Sketching. Or so you have two ways you can install. You can double click directly into the zipped folder, and then again double click on the file, and that's it. It's going to show you the preview here of how this font is going to work applied to a text with capital letters and numbers and so on. So if you like it, then you can install it directly from down up here. So you click on install, just wait for a few seconds, and that's it. The font is going to be installed. Now let's close this and go up here. And the other way you can do this is just double click again, take this file and extract it. So you can just click and drag and place it in the folder. Okay. And once it's outside like this, you can right click and copy this or cut this. So Ctrl C or Ctrl X, and then you can paste it. So let's just copy it. Copy. Also from up here, you can use those buttons right there. Copy, and then you need to go into the fonts folder, which is gonna be inside your PC, operative system, Windows folder, and navigate until you find the fonts. And here you can just paste it. So, or do Ctrl V. And that's it. This is gonna install this other font in your computer. Once you do that, you're ready to use the fonts. So this will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you want to support us a little bit more, you can join the channel as a supporter and check our other video guides and video courses on graphic design and 3D design and many more.